Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Bold Grimkin Badge in Heartopia. So it says, in a hide and seek party, while possessing a mysterious Grimkin, pop 20 Psionic Bubbles. So basically, I'm just going to join a hide and seek party and I'll show you what I mean by that. So in order to get the achievement, you will need to pop 20 bubbles while you're in the same like hide and seek game. So I'm just going to lock myself here and hopefully I pop 20, but it is a little bit difficult because you have to pop 20 while you're actually in the same game. So you cannot like do like for instance 5 psionic bubbles in like a game and then like add 5 to it in another game. It doesn't work that way. You just have to do it all in the same game. So here, let me just try to pop a bubble. It's very hard though without getting caught. But yeah, that is how you can get the badge. But basically, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.